Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change this old outdoor light and switch it with a new one. The new light I'm using is a JJC. I'll have the link for it in the description. You can pick it up on Amazon. But before you do any of this, before you open it up or do anything, make sure you have turned off the power to this light, and not just over here on the side, but make sure you go to your circuit breaker, turn off the power there, and make sure again that it's off before you do any of this work. So let's go ahead and do that first. So the way I know that this outlet is turned off is this light is connected to the outlet as well, and once it's off I know that the breaker has been tripped. So you will come down to your circuit breaker, find which one is the light you're looking for, and go ahead and turn that off, and then you should be good to go. So our test light is out, so we know that it is safe to go ahead and get to work. All right, so now that this light is off, power's off, I showed you that other backup light is off as well. I can go ahead and open this up. Most are just gonna have a little screw or something right here where you can take it off the wall. So you just back that out. Should come out pretty easily, not too bad. If it is outdoor, just make sure you keep an eye out for anything that might be in there, bugs or anything like that. So, don't see anything in mine, so I think we're good. Once you get to this part, you can just go ahead and pull these wires out like this. You can see these are the ones that are connected that are going to run the rest of this power through. And before we go ahead and do that, make sure, again, you go ahead and undo these, and then you can take this whole part off. And just a little closer, what was happening right here is this white wire is connected to this wire. The black wire was connected right here. They were just wrapped around, and they had these wire nuts on top, which have little threads in them, and they were just screwed in. And so I just undid the wire nuts, took them out, and then slipped these right off. And then we're going to do the same thing to put our new light back on. The next thing you'll need to do is just remove this plate right here. This box in there is pretty universal, so you don't have to remove that, but you just want to remove this plate because the new light usually comes with something different. So you can go ahead and remove that plate, and then we'll show you what to do next. Next thing you'll do is go ahead and put the new bracket back on there. Also, if you took your pad off, you can put a new pad on there as well. When doing this, make sure all the wires are fed through the middle of the pad. Now you will connect the new light to power. You will do the opposite of what you did earlier. White will go to white, black will go to black. You'll twist them together on the ends, and then you'll twist a wire nut on top of them. Then you'll take the yellow, green, or the ground wire from the light and connect it to the yellow, green, or ground wire inside of the box. Now you just need to get all your wires back in here. If you'd like, you can remove this covering and put it on the outside, but either way, it should fit all of these wires back in. And now, just to get this screw in. Be careful not to pinch any wires or pull them out of the wire nuts while you're trying to screw it back into the wall. Now that you've got your light back on the wall, check and make sure that none of the wires are exposed or sticking out. Make sure everything got in there nice and neat and tight. Again, you don't want anything coming out or sticking out. You want to try again to get that tight seal in there. So now let's go ahead and go turn it on and see if it worked. So as you can tell, everything is working. Now you can go ahead and adjust your light however you want to down here below, or however it does on the light you put in. But I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, I'd love for you to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. Love to help you out with that as well. Also, check out one of these other videos that have popped up here in the end screen. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.